What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 QR code scanner not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and click on camera. After clicking on camera, then here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After force stop your camera, then scroll down and here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back to your home screen and open camera. Now open camera and then on top left corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on it and then here you can see the option scan QR codes. Now here you can turn on or off your scan QR codes. After turning on or off your button, then go back to your home screen and open settings again. And then scroll down in last and here you can see the option software update. Now click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.